What appears on screen is a compact vertical modem sitting beside a router, the kind of hardware that rarely receives visual attention, but determines the ceiling of an entire home network. The Netgear CM3000 appears designed specifically for users subscribed to multi-gigabit cable internet plans. At first glance, the DOCSIS 3.1 standard with mid/high split technology seems to be the defining technical feature here. This architecture appears to enable meaningfully faster upload speeds compared to older DOCSIS configurations, a distinction that has become increasingly relevant as upload-intensive activities like video calling, cloud backup, and remote work have grown. One thing that stands out is the downstream capability, up to 2.5 gigabits per second download speeds on compatible plans from providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port appears necessary to fully utilize these speeds when paired with a compatible router. Moving on to setup, the activation process seems straightforward for most ISPs, though mid/high split network certification means verifying provider compatibility before purchase appears important. Build quality seems compact and well ventilated for sustained high throughput operation. From here, the absence of built-in Wi-Fi is worth noting. The CM3000 functions as a modem only, requiring a separate router for wireless coverage. This may be preferred by users who want control over their networking equipment independently. Overall, the experience feels like a purposeful and technically advanced modem for users ready to take advantage of next-generation cable internet speeds. Some users on standard gigabit plans may not see meaningful benefit over simpler alternatives. Depending on your ISP plan and upgrade path, this appears to be a future-proof investment.